Greetings, everybody. This is Pastor Jay, pastor of Bethesda Temple Church here in the city of St. Louis, Missouri, and I'm inviting you to our Leadership Conference, which is going to be May the 19th through the 20th here in St. Louis, Missouri at infinite occasions. I've got a question for you. Why haven't you registered yet? You probably think that this is just for leaders in the church or whatever the case may be, but I want you to understand that the speakers that we're bringing are going to present information that's applicable to leadership in all different areas, at work, at home, in the church, in the family, in the community, and you're going to receive an innovative wealth of information coming from Dr. Ken, pastor of the Dream Life Center Church in Dallas, Texas, also in Baltimore, Maryland, and also from Miss Loretta Summers of the Summers Advisory Group from Kansas City, Missouri. We are inviting all of you to come. And again, it's not just for those who are in current positions of leadership, but those of you who aspire to be leaders or you lead somewhere else. Why don't you register? Go to our website at BethesdaTempleSTL.org, and on May the 19th and the 20th, we look forward to seeing you there.